Hi guys, my name is Nori. Today I'm gonna explain how to ask where is in Japanese. This is Learn Japanese from Nori. Today I'm gonna explain how to ask where is in Japanese. Obviously, you have to use this expression when you make a trip to Japan almost every day, everywhere, right? There is a bunch of situations that you have to ask directions or something, somebody you are looking for. So let's learn how to ask where is in Japanese. When you want to ask where is in Japanese, use expression どこですか?どこですか? which means where is in Japanese. All you have to do is to put the name of what you are looking for in front of どこですか? I give you some examples. When you would like to ask the direction to get to Shinjuku Station at Tokyo, it would be like 新宿駅どこですか? 駅 means station. 新宿駅どこですか? When you want to use the bathroom at the restaurant, how would you ask? Yes. トイレどこですか? トイレどこですか? When you looking for somebody named Mr. Honda, what would you say? Yes. 本田さんどこですか? 本田さんどこですか? It's pretty easy, isn't it? You can use this expression almost everywhere, every situation you are looking for something, somebody, or someplace. Some of you might have learned that you had to put wa before どこですか? For example, 新宿駅はどこですか? トイレはどこですか? 本田さんはどこですか? Yes, this is grammatically correct, but you don't really have to say the whole sentence. 新宿駅どこですか? トイレどこですか? 本田さんどこですか? Those are totally okay. We Japanese usually say like that. So remember, when you want to say where is something, make a simple short sentence using どこですか? Okay, now let's make it a little bit more practical. Before you asking somebody using the expression どこですか? you may want to say excuse me. Excuse me in Japanese in すみません. すみません. So imagine that you are heading to Shinjuku Station but get lost and you want to ask somebody the direction to get there. How would you say that? すみません、新宿駅どこですか? すみません、新宿駅どこですか? If you are looking for the restroom at shopping mall, how would you start asking? すみません、トイレどこですか? すみません、トイレどこですか? When you want to know where Mr. Honda is, how would you ask? すみません、本田さんどこですか? すみません、本田さんどこですか? In the case that you are talking with Mr. Honda on the phone and want to know where he is right now, you can ask like, 本田さん、今どこですか? 本田さん、今どこですか? 今 means now, right now. So, 本田さん、今どこですか? means, Mr. Honda, where are you right now? Of course, there is another expression for saying where are you. But in this video, let's just remember どこですか? Okay, now it's time to practice what we've learned today. Please repeat after me if you don't mind. すみません、新宿駅どこですか？すみません、トイレどこですか？すみません、本田さんどこですか？本田さん、今どこですか？ Perfect. It is important to learn simple, short sentences as much as you can, then put them together in one sentence. That's how you can learn Japanese faster and faster. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, please press like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm glad if you check my blog too. This is Learn Japanese from Nori. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.